Okay, here's a couple small wind-up space robots. Very primitive looking. Made in Hong Kong. Pretty much all plastic construction, even the key. And the box does depict the two robots that I have. I think the other box is somewhere on the shelf up there. I just grabbed this one because I saw it right away. See, with walking action, movable arms and legs. So don't expect a whole lot. Let's take a look at the yellow one. It's got a nice sticker decal. It does say made in Hong Kong down here on the bottom. Easy wind, which means you normally need to wind him up more. He's a little bit clumsy on his feet. I'm going to lay him down before he falls down, in case he decides to keep walking. Yeah, see, I'm giving this thing a whole lot of turns. He's walking. He's just walking slow. This guy's still going. I just wanted to unwind him a little so he wouldn't walk. I'm surprised. It cranked really, really easy, which sometimes means you have to turn them a lot. But it just seems to be running methodically and nice and even and slow. Look at that, the head was movable too. Was the head movable on that one? No. I think I like this blue one because it looks so different. It's so unlike most of the other toys. Even the feet are different. Very cool.